Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get custom themes for using Vencode. Well, if you're using Discord and if you want to change your default theme, then this video is for you. For that, what you have to do, there are lots of themes collection for Discord. You can simply go for them. I have a better choice. That's why I'm coming over into betterdiscord.app. You can simply create a new tab and simply type here Better Discord app. Click on that. It will going to redirect you to this website. If you click on this website, you're going to come over into this website over here. You can see, and then simply select themes. In the theme section, there are lots of options to download. I like this one. If I just simply click on it and simply click on the download, you're going to get the download over here. You can see. And now what we're going to do, we're going to simply minimize everything. Simply open the Discord and simply come over into the bottom side and click on the settings. And then simply click on the themes into the Vencode settings. Click on the themes and simply click on open themes folder. Over here, what you have to do, you have to click on the folder where you downloaded the new theme. You can simply drag and drop it into this folder section, and you can simply minimize it and close it, and then you can simply click on these load missing themes. If you click on that, you're going to get the new themes that you downloaded or added. If you click on that, it will going to change the theme section over here. You can see we simply added the themes into our Discord. So this is how we can simply add custom themes using Vencode in your Discord. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.